Mountain camping. What do you need?
Mountain camping. What is important?
And what things can you leave behind?
Hello, my English students. This summer you're going to go camping on a mountain overnight. What do you need to bring with you? What can you leave behind? Let's find out in this video. You need a shelter, un abri, like a tent or a tarp, comme une tente ou une bâche. You don't need a blow dryer, un sèche-cheveux. You need a sleeping bag, un sac à coucher. You don't need hockey equipment, équipement de hockey. You need outdoor clothing, les vêtements d'extérieur, like a raincoat or hiking boots, comme un imperméable ou des bottes de randonnée. You don't need a Halloween costume, un déguisement d'Halloween. You need healthy food, des aliments sains. You don't need a microwave oven, un four à micro-ondes. You need drinking water, de l'eau potable. You don't need a strawberry milkshake, un milkshake à la fraise. You need matches or a lighter for your campfire. Be very careful with your campfire. You don't need scuba gear, équipement de plongée. You need a flashlight, une lampe de poche. You don't need a table lamp, une lampe de table. You need a first aid kit, une trousse de premiers soins. You don't need a cheese-making kit, un kit de fabrication de fromage. You need a whistle to attract attention, un sifflet pour attirer l'attention. You don't need a piano to attract attention, un piano pour attirer l'attention. You need a multi-tool with a knife, un multi-outil avec un couteau. You don't need a tablet, une tablette.
What? I don't bring my tablet?
Okay, you can bring your tablet.